I'm Dr. M.A.F. Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, integrated campus, Hyderabad. Estimation, quantity surveying, and valuation. In previous videos, I explained about different type of detailed specifications and analysis of rates. In this video, I am going to explain about detailed specification of cement, concrete 1:2:4. In university examination, they will ask you explain detailed specification of cement, concrete 1:2:4. Aggregate should be involved material should be clean, dense, hard, sound, durability, non-absorbent, and capable of developing good bond with mortar. Aggregates material always should be good, strong, hard, very clean. There should not be any foreign material, and we have to use good quality of materials that is non-absorb, capable of development, and there should be good bond between the mortar and the aggregates, cement, mortar, sand. And coming to next slides, coarse aggregate shall be hard broken stone granite. See, whenever granite is broken into pieces, that required size we have to consider in the construction or similar stone. These should be free from dust, dirt, and other foreign materials. The stone size generally in the for using in column beam slabs 20 mm size and retained 5 mm square mesh. So least dimension of the material is 5 mm and well graded material aggregates, and Y should not exceed 42%. This is one of the important point in the stone ballast and coarse aggregate. Coarse aggregate should be hard broken stone of granite or similar stones. The gauge of stone ballast should be specified depending upon the thickness of concrete and nature of work. Stone ballast, as I said, see for PCC bed you have different part mm you can use. Massive works you can use 40 mm, and for RCC columns, beams, slabs, footings you can use 20 mm. See, same mentioned here, the gauge of stone ballast shall be specified depending upon the thickness of the concrete and nature of the work. For building work up to 20 mm gauge, and for road work, mass work 40 mm to 60 mm gauge may be used. Okay, and fine aggregate shall be coarse sand consisting of hard, sharp, angular grains shall passing through screen of 5 mm square mesh. The fine aggregate, what is fine aggregate? Using your in the RCC or structures or 1:4 means fine aggregates. Till now we discussed about aggregates, coarse aggregates, okay, that which are retained above 5 mm Cu and which passes through 5 mm, that is fine aggregate. And it also sand should be according to standard specifications, and it should be clean, free from dust and organic materials. You should not have any foreign materials, and sea sand also should not be used because you will have salt sand will be there. So even so the sand quality should be good, and standard, according to standard we have to use fine aggregates in this specification. And next one is cement. Cement shall be fresh Portland cement of standard ISI. What is ISI? Indian Standard Institute. Indian Standard specifications shall have required tensile and compressive stresses and fineness. These tests are to be conducted before using in the construction or in the project. So these fineness test and compressive strength and tensile strength to be conducted in the lab. And what is the water you are going to add in the mix? Water shall be clean, free from alkali acids, and suitable for drinking purpose also. Seasonally pH around 7 to 8. So we should not use more than pH 12 or 14 mm. Okay, water also should be good. Now, first one is coarse aggregate. We discussed. Next one is fine aggregates, and now we are discussing about the water. Water should be clean and free from alkaline and acidic matters. Proportion. See, the question itself, you know what is the proportion? 1 is to 2 is to 4. What is 1 is to 2 force meaning? 1 cement quantity, sand, 2 quantity, stone, 4 quantity by volume unless otherwise specified. So minimum compressive strength of concrete of 1 is to 4 shall be 140 kg per square meter on 7 days. So minimum compressive strength of concrete is 140 kg per square centimeter for 7 days. Stone aggregate and sand shall be measured by volume with boxes. See, stone and aggregate will measure by volume with boxes. Cement need not be measured by bags. One bag cement 50 kg and should be considered as 1/30th cubic. That is 1.2 cubic feet. So, see, cement is contained one bag and should consider as 130 cubic meter. That is 1.2 cubic feet of cement, one bag. So size of measure box may be 30 into 30 into 38 or 35 into 28 equivalent to content one bag cement. This is in the volume, or you can consider in weight, that is kgs. If damp sand is used, compensation shall be made additional sand to the extent required for bulking of damp sand. Mixing shall be machine mixing. See, whenever damp sand used and you have to add bulking sand in machine, and mixing shall be in machine mixing. For small works, hand mixing batches may be allowed. For small, in generally villages, towns, and say for 1 footing or 2 footing, like that you can by hand mixing. Mixing shall be done in masonry platform or sheet or tray. Hand mixing can be done on the platform or sheet. See, these are the detailed specification of RCC. And now for concrete, 1 is to 2 is to 4 proportion. First 2 boxes of sand and 1 bag of cement shall be mixed, dried thoroughly, and then this dry mix box and cement sand shall be placed over a stock of 4 boxes of stone aggregates. The whole mix dry during at least 3 times to have uniform mix. See how to mix this proportion. This is important point. Generally, what we do in site, one man's cement, concrete, whatever may they like, labor will do like that. But there is a procedure. First, you have to one first cement, then you have to add, then you have to After mixing thoroughly dry mix, then you have to add it with 4 stone aggregates. This is all mixed 3 times at least in mixer. Okay. Then water shall be then added slowly, gradually with water. Okay. Then water slowly you can add in the mixture, and here you see water shall be then added slowly and gradually with a water can while being mixed with required quantity of 25 to 30 liters per bag of cement. Generally, one bag cement will use 25 to 30 approximately per bag cement to give a plastic mix of the required workability and water cement ratio. Water cement ratio is explained by IS 456, that is zero point 0.4 or 0.45 according to uh, field conditions. You have to check workability and water cement ratio. The whole shall be mixed thoroughly during at least 3 times to give uniform concrete. These are mixed with water at least 3 times to get uniform concrete. And whenever mixing done by machine, and stone, ballast, sand, and cement shall put in the cement concrete mixture to have the required proportion. For concrete, 1:2:4 proportion. First 4 boxes stone ballast, and then 2 boxes of sand, and then 1 box of shell put in the CC. This is a reverse of hand mixing. First, we will have 4 boxes of stone ballast, then 2 boxes of sand, then 1 box of cement. Then we will mix. When mixing, while mixing is going on, mixture then machine shall then be resolved to mix material dry, and then water shall be added gradually. That is required amount, that is 25 liters. That approximately each that you call can box bottle 5 liters bottle, that you can say in Telugu dabba. So 5 liters box. So 5 times use to water, and for cement, generally for 1 bag, you have to add 25 to 30 liters as per the field requirements and nature of the works, and added to the cement concrete. With this, I will end this video. Thank you.